Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you guys the chickens again from 8 months ago. Just gonna get right into it, but we also found this pigeon with a broken leg, if you can see it back there. It doesn't make sense on drinking yet. Oh, what the hell? Hello? Please focus. Maybe focus. But I'm gonna lay this chicken coop, you can see it. They're there. Let's just get right into it. I think you guys can remember. Blue got attacked by one of these brown chickens, so we had to lock one of these. I found those. This one's scared of everything. Come. That one right there. Striped one is another one. This one's also one. They're probably gonna die soon because only live for 4 years. Got number 3. Maybe 2, I don't know. These guys will be survived. I think someone's chickens. That's 6 years. You see them? Maybe it goes. Yeah, what is it?